Hi guys, this leaf is called Atama leaf. I want to cook akwa fufu, Calabar food, that's what they used to call it. This is my fresh Atama leaf. So I'm removing it from the stick one after the other. This is it. This is Atama. After this, I'll cut it. After cutting it, I'll show you how it is. Let's go there. This is the leaf. I just finished cutting it, slicing them, and now cut them everything together. So now I'm going to put it in a mortar and pound it. It's not compulsory that you should pound it, but me, I like pounding it so that to be smaller than this, the size to be smaller than how it is now. It's not a must, you can leave it like this, but me, let me pound it to my satisfaction. All right guys, keep it there. Drop your comments at the comment section. This is my palm fruits. I buy it in the market. You go to the market and buy your own palm fruits. Yeah, they use it in processing palm oil. From here, they use it to process palm oil. So I'm going to use this palm fruits to prepare Atama Soup. All right, let's go. Let the process begin. All right, keep on dropping your comments at the comment section. I'm putting water. I'm washing it. So I wash it like twice. So that the sand will go out of the body if you get the sand. Right, I'm going to wash it and put it in a pot. Then I'll put water and boil it. Alright, let the process, let's go there. Oh yeah, keep on dropping your comment at the comment section. Please thumbs up if you like this video, so that I will be posting more of this delicious food. How to process it. Let's go there. Going on. Alright guys, I've finished washing it twice. Then I put it in the pot. Then I'm going to put it on the fire. Oh yeah, let's go there. Atama Soup will soon get me ready. Oh yeah, now let's go there. Continue watching. Drop your comments at the comment section. Let's go. If you have any question, Atama leaf. This is the Atama leaf. So I'm going to be pounding it till it is pieces. Alright, now let's go there. Let the process begin. Keep it up. Please drop your comment at the comment section. Don't fail to like this video and drop your comments for more updates and different. I finished pounding it. Alright, I finished pounding it. Then I'm going to boil hot water and put in it. So go and boil your hot water to put in it. You can wash it with cold water, but I like using hot water because hot water will remove those dirt. Then it will also help in preventing the thickness of the leaf, so that the thickness will not wash it out at once. I don't want it too bitter, and I don't want the bitter to finish, so it will remain small bitter but not too bitter. All right guys, let's go. We are processing. Let's go there. Drop your comments at the comment section. Drop your question at the comment section. Let's go. Like my video for more video like this. Thank you so much guys. Let's go there. Okay guys, we are still processing. So I'm going to put hot water inside the leaf. So I'll leave it for some time, then prepare other things while it's still in water. Then I'll wash it out within 5 minutes. All right guys, we are still processing. Let's go there. Very soon the soup will get ready. All right, now still drop your comments. Do not fail to like. Guys, all right, this is what we call periwinkle. If you don't know it, you can go to the market, go and ask any of the market seller. Tell them you want to buy periwinkle. They'll show you in case you don't know about it. Periwinkle is very good. Even the doctors will recommend periwinkle for you to use it. You want to just use it as pepper soup to drink because it keeps your body. It's good in your body. Alright, this is my periwinkle. I'm going to wash it. Now that my brown food is on the fire, I'll prepare everything. This is my periwinkle. Oh yeah guys, still continue to drop your comments. Let's go there. Guys, ask your question where you don't understand. The palm fruit is done, so I'm going to pound it now so that you can see how it is. So that I'm going to pound it. Don't pack with the water and put on. Just remove the water from the palm fruit. Just separate the water from it. Okay. If you don't have mortar and pestle to use it to pound, you can use custard container. You put put it in water container. Then you use something to massage it. You use something to massage everywhere. Alright, look at the pan. Keep on dropping your comments. Sorry. Look at the pan fruit here. I've finished pounding it, so I'm going to boil hot water and put to use it to wash it. Wash as the process is going. Alright, now let's go there. Keep on dropping your comments and ask your question where you don't understand. Look at the pan fruit. So if you plant it like this and finish, just boil hot water. Add another little hot water to it. I'll show you everything. Let me add hot water to it. Okay. So hot. Very, very hot. Alright. Then you make sure you massage it. You turn it. You can put cold water so that you'll be able to use your hand to massage it very well. Alright guys. We are going there. Please drop your comments and like this video. If you want to see more of this, drop your comments at the comment section. We are still, and here is my stockfish that I'm going to use. So I'll go and wash it. We use salt to wash it. Make sure this ink is not here. You wash it out. I've cooked my stockfish. I think it's boiling. So I've started putting my pepper, salt to it. So I'm going to add this my curry for now. So I'll rinse it and I'll that I'm using to seasoning the. Alright guys, here is my crayfish. I've finished grabbing it. Here is it. So I'm going to put it in the soup right away. Let's go there. Let's go there. Drop your comments at the comment section. Ask your question if this is it. So I'm going to put it in the pot right now. Let's go there. Let's go there. Drop our soup. Atama Soup. So I'm going to dish it now for you to see how it looks like. Yummy. Oh. Alright guys, this is the outcome of our